Hey, the guys at SKG, I want to show you how beautiful the box is. This is not an unboxing video. The guys at SKG sent me this titanium neck massager. It's really, really good. It's a G7 Pro is the name. I've been using it for a week, but I wanted to show you how beautifully it's packaged, right? If in case you want to give it as a gift, this is a gift that you give to someone that has everything, right? And it comes really nice with, you know, the instructions, a carrying case. Like, you see how beautifully packed this is? And here it is. There's other things, like other cables for charging. It comes with everything you need. But I want to show you the product. Check this out, right? Let me take this off, right? Look how beautifully made this is. You see that? I'm telling you. I love the way it looks, but the way it looks is not what's important about this. Now, I've been using this for several days, and you see it has a voice prompts that help you manage the device. There's an app for it. I'll make another video explaining how the app works, but I want to show you just how it looks when it's working. You see, those titanium heads are doing the massaging. It's like a percussion massage, right? And there's many modes, more than 50 modes, 6 more modes when you use the app. So, and everything is controlled with this button that you see right here. It's a joystick button combination. Now, one of the most important things and that I like about this is the combination or the marriage of percussion massage plus electricity, because there's some like electrical component to this, right? It sends some nice waves that you feel like a really electrical tingle there. But what I want you to see, and for me the most important part, is that it has 850 nm of red light therapy. And red light therapy, you can do the research, don't believe me, it's really, really good for the production of ATP, which is an energy. Oh, this is so nice. Wait, I might not be able to concentrate when I'm wearing this. So it's really nice for the production of ATP, which is like the mitochondrial engine of your cells. And that 850, sorry, I can't concentrate, 850 the range is the kind of red light that penetrates within the skin. So you need to use, when you're using red light therapy, there has to be bare skin. It can't go through the fabric, right? Or it shouldn't be, right? So that red light therapy penetrates through the skin right into the joints, and it reduces inflammation. That's why the combination of this, which is, I go to physical therapy, and if you guys have ever gone to physical therapy and then they put those diodes, those electrical diodes, this is akin to that, right? You feel that nice tingly like electrical vibration, because the RPMs on the heads of these titanium massagers, they vibrate so fast that it feels like it's electricity, and it relaxes you. It relaxes your body. It's warm, right? The red light, it's warm, but also the heads are warm. So it's a combination of percussion massage. It's like having someone giving you a nice kneading in the neck, plus the therapeutic benefits of the red light therapy going in there and reducing inflammation. Red light therapy is very, very well researched. Look it up, like I said, right? and that combination will give you some relief, right, of the tension that is created from bad posture, from being in the computer all day, from general life. And the best part of this is that with a full charge, it takes very fast time to charge. You have 140 minutes of use for this, so you can take this with you in the nice carrying bag where it's not gonna, it's not gonna ruin the machine. You put it in your bag, and whenever you're out there in the office, at work, in outside, outdoors, you put one of these, and it'll relax you. My recommendation is that you start in the lowest setting, because those higher settings, they really get in there. Like it's the same as the what you get in a physical therapy, not studio, in an office, like with the doctors, right? It's the same. I had that therapy for a long time, and right here with this button is that you change the different. So I'm in pulse level 1. So now I can turn it off, right? But now I'm gonna bring it up. Good up. Oh my God! It has like 5 levels. So for me, past level 4, it's really, I'm not used to it yet. So like because it feels like electricity, and I don't know if you saw it, my my neck starts to twitch. so yeah. Now it's really comfortable when you put it on. It has this nice like pads here, right? And it's comfortable to the neck. You put this nice, it's warm, it doesn't get like really hot, but you feel this nice warm feeling to it. And then like I tell you, the most important part, right, is for you to, wow, this is really nice. It's for you to it's it's hard to concentrate. The best part is for you to like have the area clean, so that you have the full benefit of the red light therapy, so that the diodes or the heads have really nice connection to your skin, and that way you feel the full benefits of this beautiful G7 Pro massager. So thank you, the guys at SKG, for sending this to me. I've been using it for days. One recommendation, like I saw somebody saying, you could use it when you're driving. No, you can't. Not when you're driving. This thing will relax you too much. I mean, you can, of course, if you're not driving and you put it in your car, it's like, relax. Yes, perfect. But no, because this will really relax you. It'll make you feel good, and the best feeling is after you finish, right? Because right now there's a lot of things going on right there, the massage, the what's the name, the therapy. Then when you turn it off, massage complete, you feel this peace. It's really nice. Totally recommend it.